Okay, today we're going to cook this rice noodle with pork. This is a very popular dish in Chinese buffet. A lot of people have been asking. So first, bring some water to boiling. You want to add the rice noodle in there. You just want to take about 1 minute until the rice noodle softened. Now drain the water. So here's the tricky part. You don't want to boil it for too long. Now you want to add a little bit of oil in there so they don't stick together. Now you still have the heat in there, so cover it so the heat can continue soften the rice noodle. Also, let's get some green leaf vegetable ready. Green leaf vegetable is so much easier to cook in this stir-fry dish. It's really highly suggested use choy or spinach, some leafy vegetable. Now rinse it real quick. And break those two smaller pieces for easy handling. Now let's also get some green onion ready. So this green onion can give you a flavor punch in there. Also, don't forget the ginger. Ginger sometimes has a brown spot inside. To avoid that, you want to peel it. And then slice the ginger to smaller pieces. And this will release all the flavor. Now also cut the green onion to smaller pieces and set this aside. Now for the pork, I prefer to use pork belly because it has a little bit fat attached to that, and that's adding a little bit more flavor to your dish. When it's halfway thawed, it's so much easier for you to slice it to about 2/4 thickness. Now let's get a wok ready. Put a little bit of oil in there. You want to first bring this to high heat, then put the pork belly in there. And of course, for this dish, you can use shrimp and some other meat. So feel free to improvise here. For this pork, you want to fry it for a little bit longer time. You want to make sure the fatty part starts to dissolve so the lard comes out. Now add the green onion and ginger in there. Oh, it smells so good now. Now let's put a little bit fava bean chili sauce. This is not only adding color, but also give you great spicy flavor. Now the rice noodle, because once you add a little bit of rice wine and you stir it with chopstick, you can easily break them apart. So now let's add the green vegetable in there. So now you can see it won't take too long for the green vegetable to get cooked. Now add a little bit sugar, a little bit soy sauce, and a little bit of oyster sauce. That goes a long way. That's really tasting good. Okay, add a little bit chicken bouillon, if you will. So keep on stirring. So if you want the noodle to be a little bit softer, you can add a little bit water here. But if not, you can go ahead and serve it now. Now enjoy this delicious rice noodle with pork.